Rahim. Dr. Saad Khan, Director General NIM, Dr. Faisal Pro, VC Butums, respected faculty members, under training officers of 31st Mid-Career Management Course, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. It is indeed a pleasure for me to address the group of civil servants who have been trained to cope with the future challenges of the nation at seasoned bureaucratic level. I must say that National Institute of Management, NIM, Quetta, is the pride of Balochistan, and you are lucky to have been trained and equipped with new knowledge and skill to face the challenges of your professional career. Ladies and gentlemen, it is deemed satisfactory that this course has provided you ample opportunities of learning in the themes of public policy, governance, and modern methods of effective service delivery in this digital age. Your mastering and acquaintance in these areas will professionally enable you to resolve the difficulties faced at the managerial level. I advise you to address and redress the grievances of the general masses and to remain motivated to resolve the bottlenecks by applying the learned contents of the training for better results for development both at national and provincial level. This was the part of a written speech given to me. I would only say a few words, since after getting your training from this esteemed and prestigious institution, you will be going back and doing your jobs in different the jobs in different places and cities and the different posts assigned to you. Ladies and gentlemen, and especially the faculty, the members of the training members of the civil officers who are being trained here, I must say that you people can bring a lot of change in this society. Much depends on you. And if you work with dedication, honesty, with all your ability, I think this society can be changed. And if you stick to your ground and you don't carry out the illegal and unlawful orders of your superiors, from that day, this society will change. And much of you have gone through this experience. I'll give you an example that after the partitions, though we have progressed in many things, our army has progressed, our civil services has progressed, but in some phases we have deteriorated. I remember when I was a kid, I was going to school, we used to go in a Tonga. In those days, in 60s, late 60s, the Tongas were the only source of communication. So there was a day for the checking of the Tonga wala. He would take his Tonga to the municipal corporation, and he was really very shaky and scared, and sometimes he would say, "Bas dua kare ji, aaj Tonga pass ho jaye." So he would take it to the municipality, they would check each and everything. तो उसी दिनों में किसी ने कहा, जी अब तो बहुत ख़राब हो गया है, ये तो पहले बहुत अच्छा था. They were very strict. They would look to everything. अब देखते देखते हमने अपने शहर में उटांगे तो ख़त्म हो गए. We have brought donkey carts, हमने रक्शे भी लाए, हमने pollution भी बढ़ा दी. Why? Because of looking the other way. And this is your responsibility. If you start looking the other way and you bow down to to pressures of your superiors, तो फिर यही होगा. Or if you stand your ground and you refuse to carry out the illegal orders, क्या होगा? What will happen? They'll transfer you from one place to another, but how many times? So this is how we are going to bring a change. I remember, I'll give another example of my principal secretary, Mr. Shahnawaz. He came to me and I interviewed a few people, I selected him. Somebody asked me, ये तो बहुत बेकार आदमी लाए हो, ये तो किसी का काम नहीं करता. So I said कि भाई मैं ऐसे आदमी के साथ खुश हूँ. And he has been with me for the last about 5 to 6 months. I think we never had a problem, because he was a rolling stone from one department to the other, and he would not carry out the illegal orders. Ek dafa, he himself told me, sir, an officer came to me, a minister came, कि जी ये 60 आदमी हैं, आप इनकी भर्ती कर दो। मैंने कहा जी मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, आपने तो, कहता है फिर अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो फिर आप छुट्टी कर लो। तो yes, you'll face difficulties, आप difficulties face कर लेंगे, लेकिन trust me, one day when you stand your ground, you stick to your principles, कि हमने गलत काम नहीं करना है, आपको सही पोस्ट मिलेगा। And when I was Chief Justice of this province, I dismissed 4 people, 4 judicial officers from service on corruption charges, but still it's a tribal system, और शेयरदारी भी रखनी है, लोगों के साथ ताल्लुकात भी हैं, and I was so much pressurized कि जी आप एक चांस दे दे, खुदा के लिए ये करें। And my senior judges, retired judges even came to me कि जो मेरे सीनियर्स थे कि जी आप एक चांस दे दे, but I didn't give them a chance. And as long as I stood, I was their Chief Justice from 2005 to 2009. Not a single case of corruption was reported, and it's a record. आप जाके चेक भी कर सकते हो उससे। तो this is my advice to you कि भाई आप अगर अपना, if you work, you are with devotion, dignity, honor, honesty, so inshallah you'll bring a change in this society. And as far as the institution is concerned, this institution has come a long way, as explained by Dr. Saad Khan, of Director General of the Institute, that यहाँ पे मुशायरे भी होते रहे हैं, and today it has doubled my pleasure to inaugurate the book fair, the first of its kind in the history of National Institute of NIM, Quetta. I am also delighted to see the library, renovated library of National Institute of Management, which has now become the best source of public policy in this province. And I congratulate the entire team under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Saad Khan, who is himself an accomplished historian and writer, in completing the taste of cataloging and complete references in the library. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.